In this video, I'm gonna show you how to write the equation of a line through any given points. Okay, they want me to write the equation slope-intercept form. That form will look like this: y is equal to mx plus b. M is the slope, and b is the y-intercept. Okay, once I found those values, I can answer the question. So the best way to do it is do a graph. So I'm gonna put in my x and y axis. Here's my y axis, and here's my x axis. So this will be my y, this will be the x axis. Remember, the first number moves me right or left. If the number is positive, I go to the right. If the number is negative, I go to the left. If the number is zero, don't go anywhere, stay there. The second number is the y value, and the y is gonna move you up or down. Positive to up, negative down, zero, you stay there. Same thing right here, right or left. If it's positive, you go to the right. Negative, you go to the left. If it's zero, you stay there. This number is gonna move you up or down. Up is positive, down is negative, zero, stay there. Now, x is start from the origin. X is zero, don't move anywhere, and y is negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is negative 5. Second point, start from the origin. X is 4. Positive 4, I go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And y is positive 3. 1, 2, 3. Now that I have the points plotted, let me draw a line between them. Now, the b value is the place where the line crosses the y-axis. The line that I drew crosses the y-axis right here. So that tells me the b value will be negative 1, negative 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 5. Now to find the slope, what I'm going to do is I need to go from one point to the other. So I want to go from this point to that point. First, I'm going to go up all the way up to here and count the number of lines. I went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I went up 8. Now, I need to go to the left. I'm sorry, to the right. And I count the number of spaces that went to the right. That'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. So went 4 spaces to the right. Now my m, the slope, is equal to my rise. That's how much I move either up or down. If it's positive, I went up. If it's negative, I went down. If it's zero, you stay there. Now the run is gonna move you sideways. If the value is positive, you go to the right. If it's negative, you go to the left. If it's zero, you stay there. Now in this problem, what is the rise? 8, and I went up, so it's positive 8. And my run will be 4. I went to the right, so it's positive 4. Now 8 divided by 4 will give me 2. Now notice I know the m and I know the b. I can answer the question now. The answer will be y is equal to m, and will be 2 x plus b, and the b value is negative 5. So this will be negative 5, and that is the equation of the line. So then I answer the question. Okay, so the easiest way to do this problem is to actually do a graph. That is the easiest way of doing it. Okay, now let me do another example. This is problem number 2 on the homework. Okay, so problem number 2 on the homework is the following. Like before, first you want to graph, plot the points. So this will be my x-axis, and this will be my y-axis. This is the x value, and this is the y value. Now, if x is positive 2, you go 1 to the right, and y is positive 1, you go up 1. Next point, x is negative 5, negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and y is negative 5, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Now, connect those points with a straight line, and this is what you're looking for. Now, this is the b value. I'm going to approximate it. The b value, let's say, is about negative 0.5. It's between 0 and 1, so it's about negative 0.5. Now, let's go ahead and do the graph. Now, imagine that I want to go from one point to the other point. I want to go from this point to that point. I'm going to go up. And let's count how many lines did I go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now I'm going to go to the left and count how many lines I went to the left. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now my slope will be the rise over the run. Now the rise is how much I went up or down. I went up 6, so that should be positive 6. And my run, I went 7 to the right, so that should be 7. Now I have all the information that I need. The equation of the line will be y is equal to mx plus b. Plug in the values, m will be 6 over 7 x minus b 0.5. And that is the equation of the line. Okay, so all the problems they gave you, if you do the graph, some of the problem will be a lot easier. Okay, thank you.